Welcome back, everyone. Today I have a Stage 6 fully adjustable clutch and a 433 gram Stage 3 clutch bell, and we are going to install these on the Start 5 Derby. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and buy me a coffee if you can. This Stage 6 clutch is 107 millimeters, fits in this 107 millimeter bell. It's really nice. It's fully adjustable. You can change the springs out. It has this nice brace that is removable. But the cool thing about these springs is that they are fully adjustable. These are fully adjustable by an Allen wrench right here. And you don't have to take the clutch off the bike to adjust them. So you can install this clutch and tune it on the fly. To install the clutch, we do have to take off the side cover. We will need to take off this foot peg and this cover here. Now we can remove this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 Allens. Now we need to remove this nut. And now we need to remove this nut. This nut is 36 millimeter. And it is spring loaded. So this is our old clutch and this is the new one. And I'm gonna need a hand to do this. I'm going to try to press this down with one hand and install the nut with the other. Alright, there we go. Tighten this back up. This socket is from Amazon. It's for a CRV oil filter, I think. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this. It is super handy. Now we can put the rear pulley back on. There are not many threads on this, so I am actually going to turn this piece down just a little bit. The stock bell gives you that many threads, and this aftermarket bell only gives you that much. That is enough, but I'm going to try to turn it down a little. Alright, so I made this little shaft that is a little bit tapered, and so this thing, I think I can actually just tap it on, and I think it'll stay good enough for me to turn it down a little. Let's try this. Oh, that's a lot better. That has a lot more threads. We can put the pulley cover back on. I did cut it out to give it a little bit more airflow and so people can see the cool clutch bell. I cut this out with an angle grinder and a cutoff wheel. Alright everybody, the clutch works really well. It is really smooth, it has great engagement. These white springs are a little bit too soft for me, so I am going to upgrade to the red springs, which I already bought. I'm going to throw those in and tune up the clutch to engage a little bit later. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.